I've been craving the ultimate piece of French toast. So today, this is no ordinary piece of French toast. This is a double whammy sandwich, French toast styled, packed with, Bianca, my favorite, smooth creamy peanut butter and Nutella. It's like a Ferrero Rocher on steroids. Okay, how's the bread? So it's really doorstoppers, beautiful farmhouse loaf, or you could use if you don't want to be as over the top as we are, you can use obviously the normal daily bread. I don't have to tell you always fresh eggs. So here we go, 6 of those babies. You know what I've never mastered is how chefs use one hand and crack. Do you know how to do that, Bianca? Nelly? Calypso? Oh, Calypso knows. Come, Calypso. Okay, go, baby.
Fail now.
Don't. Performance anxiety, no. Ah. Okay, show me.
It's all in the grab. So your fingers, you need to obviously leave a crack open where you're gonna crack the egg. Whack it in there, and then using your fingers, you just split it by the crack.
Okay, let's do it.
Okay, now we have a lot of eggs. There we go!
I did it! Thank you.
Well done.
Okay. So whisk. This beautiful Asia pouring cream. Don't be shy, I think that's the trick. A beautiful blob, and in the center, and you put that in the middle, because when you sandwich them together and you fry them, they're just gonna ooze deliciousness. Okay, pop you down. So now for the decadent baby, look at that. And you've got to get your hands mucky here. There we go. And pop it in. Okay, let's have a look, peek. Oh, that's looking absolutely amazing. And then we turn with a quick. Wow, look at that. It's got character, yumminess. But I can tell you what's going on inside there is already oozing. Squeeze these up, get them all snug as a bug. So it's all puffy and eggy. Look at these. Pile it up. Okay, you can all come and have some if you want. Come, Kalita. Look at this.
So glorious.
Look at that. Look at it. All eggy, and you can see the white layers.
Look at how it's dripping all over.
Do you like some, Jax?
Nelly wants to taste.
Nelly, come. No, come, Nelly. It's beautiful, hey?
It's amazing.
I know. And I'm going to see if it can. Oh my gosh, I didn't dip the French toast. Okay, and then you just.
No.
Ah!